Hi, my name is Casey Kulin. I'm an assistant professor of teaching here in the manufacturing engineering program. In the Manu program, we like to focus on project-based learning. We feel that this is very important because when people get into industry, they're always working in groups, they're always working on projects. And we do that in our Manu 230, Manu 330, and Manu 430 courses. In the third year, students take Manu 330. This is kind of a continuation of Manu 230, but they have a design aspect to it. So they're using the same processes that they've learned in Manu 230, but they'll apply it to a project that they're working on throughout the whole two-term course. So they actually develop and build a gravity-powered race car.
Throughout the whole project process, we go through the different stages of bringing an idea or concept that we have and to bring it into real life, into something that we can actually see and touch. And then from there, we apply manufacturing, where we then bring this prototyped idea into something that we could actually produce and put out into the market, or for people to actually use and buy.
Within the course, we start out by doing the high-level design of the whole car and how all the pieces kind of come together. And then we narrow down into each part, into the wheels, into the shell, and into the chassis, and then finalize it by assembling it all together. After the initial high-level design is done, then students start focusing on the wheels, and they get into a detailed design of the wheels, and they make their design, they bring it to the machine shop, and they do a CNC machining of their wheels. After that, then we focus on the body, and we do that with thermoforming. So this one happens to be a clear PET material that students have designed, and they've also designed all the tooling and all the molds to make the parts as well. And then the last piece that they focus on is the chassis. Again, the students design it, they design the tooling, and they actually manufacture the parts in the lab as well. When everything's ready, it all comes together in an assembly, and they bring it all together into the assembly, and once it's all together, then they're ready to race at the end of the term. The students will take their cars out to the raceway. Everyone gets together, we do a few runs, we time them, and whoever wins, whichever group has the best times, gets the Manu trophy at the end of it all.
Just simply be able to see the final results of an 8-month project that all of us have been working on. I think that was a great sense of satisfaction just to see it all come together.
So if this sounds like something you're interested in or something that you'd enjoy, we'd love to have you in the Manu program.
Manu!